From the farm to the processing plant, there are a lot of expenses involved with food production. Utilities such as hydro, water, sewer, and gas can add up quickly. How we use our utilities creates much of the Ontario agri-food sector's overall carbon footprint. Do you know how much carbon your utilities generate? Electricity, natural gas, municipal water, and wastewater treatment all put carbon into the environment. Unmaintained equipment can use too much heat, electricity, and water. Leaks mean you're wasting utilities and product. This affects your margin, carbon footprint, and the size of your utility bills. A well-maintained operation reduces your carbon output and minimizes costs. Fixing equipment, repairing leaks, and turning off utilities whenever possible does help. Running equipment at peak form is the right thing to do. It's good for the environment, and it's good for your bottom line. To learn more about making your operation more energy efficient and profitable, visit our website.